Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the pixel animation that has recently gone viral on social media platforms. Now, some people create these types of videos using artificial intelligence. However, I'm going to show you how to do it entirely in After Effects. If you are ready, let's jump into the video. First, drag your video onto the composition panel. This automatically creates a new composition that matches your video settings. Now, select the video and use Edit greater than Duplicate to create a total of 3 copies. Next, drag the resolution green screen video above all of the video layers. To remove the green background, apply the keylight effect from the Effects and Presets panel to the green screen video. Now, in the keylight settings, select the eyedropper next to Screen Color and click on any green area in the video. This removes the green background. Great! Now, move the resolution layer slightly upward. Next, carefully move the playhead to the exact moment when the resolution changes. Select the first video, choose Edit greater than Split Layer, and delete the right section. Now, select the second video. Use the same method to split the layer, but this time delete the left section. Move forward through the video again. Repeat the same splitting process for the remaining videos at each resolution change. Great! Now, select the first video and let's start applying our effects. First, apply the Mosaic effect to the video. Set both horizontal blocks and vertical blocks to 60. This creates a pixelated look, making the video appear lower in resolution. Next, apply the Gaussian blur effect and set the blurriness value to 5. This adds a subtle blur, making the low-resolution effect look more natural. Now, apply the noise effect and set the noise amount to 13. This adds subtle grain, making the video look more like a compressed, low-quality clip. Finally, apply the Posterize time effect and set the frame rate to 12. This lowers the frame rate, enhancing the look of an older, lower-quality video. With that, our first resolution effect is complete. Great! Now select all of these effects and copy them. Then select the other 2 videos and paste the effects onto those layers. Now select the second video and change the horizontal blocks and vertical blocks values in the Mosaic effect to 120. The first video used 60. Increasing it to 120 reduces the pixel size and makes the image appear slightly clearer. Next, select Gaussian Blur and set blurriness to 2. This keeps the video looking low quality while making it sharper than the first version. Now select Noise and set Amount of Noise to 7. As the resolution increases, the amount of visible grain should decrease. Finally, select Posterize Time and set the frame rate to 18. This makes the motion appear smoother than in the first video. Great! We have now created a look that is close to 240p quality. Let's move on to the next video. Select the third video and set the horizontal blocks and vertical blocks values in Mosaic to 300. The previous video used 120. Increasing it to 300 reduces the pixel size even further and moves the image closer to a higher resolution look. Then select Gaussian Blur and set blurriness to 1.5. Set Amount of Noise to 5 in the Noise effect. Finally, set the frame rate to 24 in Posterize Time. Perfect! We have now created a look that is close to 720p quality. Next, let's work on the final video. Select the last video and apply the Sharpen effect. Then add the Unsharp Mask effect. Set Sharpen Amount to 20. In the Unsharp Mask settings, set Amount to 25 and Radius to 10. These settings enhance edge details and make the image appear sharper and more high resolution. Finally, apply Posterize Time and set the frame rate to 60. This makes the video much smoother. Now, shorten the timeline slightly and create a quick preview render to see the result. And that's it! I have shown you how to recreate the viral pixel effect that has been trending on social media, entirely inside After Effects, without using any external plugins or AI tools. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next tutorial, and take care.